Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we start a new chapter 10, Visualizing Solid Shapes. Okay, very interesting chapter. Now we discussing different types of figure, plane figure, 3-dimension figure, solid shapes, different object in real lives, how they are looking, and any object when we looking by different angle, how they looks. Okay, so watch this carefully up to the end. Okay, now we start. Plane figure and solid shapes. Plane figure only having length and breadth, but all objects occupy space and have 3 dimensions are called solid shapes or 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, circle, triangle, rectangle, quadrilateral, square, trapezium. These are all plane figures. Okay, that is 2-dimensional figure. They can be drawn on paper, blackboard. Okay, they doesn't have 3rd dimension, that is depth or height. So this type of figures is considered as plane figure. Okay, and 2-dimensional figure. So remember this. Now we learn 3-dimensional figure, how they looks and how we study them. In 3-dimensional figures, they have faces, edges and vertices. Okay, this type of figures are solid shapes. This is a cube. Okay, in this cube, this is edge where two faces meeting, this become a edge. In plane finger, line segment become edge in 3-dimensional figure. Okay, so this is edge and this is face. This type of facet, face surrounding by edge from all side. Okay, where 3 or more than 3 edges are meeting, they are vertex. Okay, that is corners. So in 3-dimensional figure, there are faces, edges and vertices. Okay, so practice them to make 3-dimension figures and draw their faces, edges and vertices and study what is the relation, intermediate relation in between them. Okay, now we learn vertices. The 8 corners of the cube are its vertices. As the 12 line segments that form the skeleton of the cube are its edges. Okay, faces, the 6 flat square surfaces that are the skin of the cube are its faces. Okay, so here is the relation in between face, vertices and edge. In any three-dimensional object over any solid shape, their face, vertices and edge having this relation. Number of face plus number of vertices are just equal to number of edge plus 2. Okay, this way we can found them. So this is the relation of solid shapes. Now we learn nets for building 3D shapes. If we open any 3D shapes, then it looks like this. This is a 3D shape of a box that is cuboid. In practical life, many times we see a box, okay, that is cuboid. When we open it, it looks like this. Okay, this and this, top and bottom, and this are sides. This and this are also sides. Okay, so this type of our cuboid. This is a net pattern for a 3D box. This is a cone. If we cut a cone of a paper from here and open it, then it looks like that. If we meeting these two edges, this become a cone. So this is a 3D shape for a cone on a paper. Okay. Now this is a pyramid having a square base and 4 faces. When we cut a pyramid on their edge and open up, then this is the 3D net pattern of a pyramid. This is a base, this base of the pyramid, and these are the 4 side faces. So if we again fold this figure, then this become a pyramid. Now we learn a cylinder. This is a cylinder, 3D shape. If we cut it from here and open, then this bottom and top face are circle, and this is the curved surface of this cylinder. So this is the 3D net pattern for cylinder. Okay, so you may have used these to make 3D shapes. Okay. Now we learn views of 3D shapes, how they are looking. A 3-dimension object can look different from different positions. Okay. In our real practical life, we see the different object, different time, in different angles, different positions, and they are looking different. This is the reason. Now we take some example. This is a hut. This is the front side of hut. This is the side of hut, and this is the top of hut. And if we stand front side and looks this hut, it looks like this. Rest of the things are hidden. Only the front face of this hut looks. So this looks like this. Only these edges are looking, okay, and front face are looking. So this is the front view of this hut. But if we look this hut from side, it looks like this type. This edge and this edge. Only they are viewing by us. Okay, and it looks like this. So this is the side view of this hut. But if we look this hut from top, okay, then what happened? If we look this hut from top, it looking like this. This edge is here and this is the outer edge. Okay, so if we change our position, then this hut looking different from each position. From front position it looks like this, and side position it looks like this, and from top it looks like this. Okay, and this is the top view is generally known as plan. Okay, so this is the different view of hut. Now here is the very common thing, a glass. Generally we use glass. This is a glass. This is the 3D shape. Now if we view this from side, any side, because this is circular, so if view any side, this is the side view. Only this and this we views. But if we view this from top side, this is the top view. This is the surface and this is the inside view of this. Only the top view looks like this. So this is the view of 3D shapes. Okay. Now this is a solid made of 3 cubes. Here if we place 3 same cubes, 2 at bottom and 1 at top, and we look this setup, that is solid made of 3 cubes. This is a solid made of 3 cubes, 1, 2, 3. And if we look this side, only these 2 cubes are looking. So this is the side view of this setup. Although there are 3 cubes, but when we look this setup from this side, then this cube hide behind these 2. Okay, so the side view looks like this. This is side view of this setup. The setup is solid made of 3 cubes. But if we look this setup from front side, all 3 cubes are looking, but only the front edge of these cubes are viewing. So this is the front view of this setup. This and this are viewing. But if we look this from top, then only this and this top edge of these 2 cubes are viewing. This cube hide behind this. Okay, so this is the top view. So this type of views help us how a 3D shape looks from different positions. Now we take another example. This is a solid made of 4 cubes. If we place 4 cubes, 1, 2, 3 and 4 like this, and viewing this from this side, then these 2 are hide behind this, and this only 2 cubes. Only the edges of these cubes are viewing. This is the side view. If we look from this side, so this and this face are visible. So this is the side view of this setup, and solid setup is solid made of 4 cubes. These 4 cubes are set here, and this is the side view of this. But if we look from top, then this and this, all 4 faces of this solid made of 4 cubes are looking. So this is the top view of this 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are looks, but only their edge and top faces are viewing in this. Okay. Now, if we look this from front, then only 1, 2 and 3. These 3 passages are looking, rest are hide. This is the front view of this setup. Okay. Now, if we take a brick, everyone know the brick. Brick are used to make buildings. Okay. This is a brick. 3-dimension view of a brick. This is the top of brick, this is the side, and this is the front. So a brick looks like this, but these are the different view of this brick. If we look this brick from front side, that is this side. So only this face is looking. This is the front view of this brick. Rest of the portion are hide behind these edges. So only this and this. These 4 edges are looking, viewing. So this is the front view of this brick. But if we look this brick from this side, so only these 4 edges are looking. This is the side view of this brick. But if we look the brick from top, so these all edges are looking. This is the top view of this brick. Okay. So this way you can understand. Take a brick and try to viewing this. Then you can understand how a brick looks. Okay. This can be done very easily. Everyone having brick. So take a brick and view them. So you can found these are the 3 views: front view, side view and top view. Okay. So use this knowledge to solve the question of exercise 10.1. This is your homework. If you have any problem, then ask me on my personal WhatsApp. Have a good day. Thanks.